Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila, and in this video I'm going to show you something new which I've never worn before. It's actually a nightwear dress which a neighbor has given me for this video to do this video. So I thought I'm going to take it and show it to you. Has a little lace here, a very gentle one. This is a vintage type of garment, so I hope you like it. It's in white, it's cotton, it's breathable, it's very sexy, very comfy for this summertime that we have here. So as you can see, it's flirtatious. Please write down in the comments if you like my new hairdo with a little bank on the side, a little fringe. Tell me if this little fringe looks good on me, or maybe you like it the way it was before, which was smooth, but now I have got more volume to the top of my head here. So it gives me a different look.
Anything you want, is this anything you need? Is this anything you feel? My love and my fear. Is this anything you stand for? Anything you want? My love and my fear. Stay forever back. Is this anything you want? Is this anything you need? Is this anything you feel? My love and my fear.
Thank you very much for watching and for being with me in this video, and see you soon in the next couple of videos. Love you. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe too.